Hi, I'm Dr. Tammy Fogarty. I'm a licensed nutritionist and registered dietitian, and I'm the department chair for the Master's of Science degree in Functional Nutrition. So this program is set up for healthcare providers that are already in the field or getting a degree in any kind of healthcare setting that wants to enhance their nutrition knowledge. So with the Master's in Nutrition, they can provide nutrition education and counseling to their clients. The Master's of Science degree in Functional Nutrition at Parker University is a great program for practitioners that are already in the field. So we welcome doctors, chiropractors, registered dietitians, nurse practitioners that want to enhance their nutrition knowledge and be able to provide sound quality nutrition advice to their clients. For our chiropractic students, when you are in Tri-6 or higher, you're welcome to enroll in the program. And what this does is provide you with a Master's in Science degree. So when you graduate here at Parker University, you'll have your DC degree and your Master's in Functional Nutrition. The Master's in Functional Nutrition program gives our graduates a great opportunity to apply to become a diplomate to various boards. All of our graduates can apply to become a certified nutrition specialist, and in some states this allows you to be licensed as a nutritionist. The Master's in Functional Nutrition is a great program for working professionals because it allows you to take the classes while you continue your day-to-day. The program is completely online. It'll take you under 2 years to complete the program. If you want additional information on our program, please feel free to visit www.parker.edu.